on that thing again. Hate that planter. What we're gonna do, take an air gun, spray that all out, get all the dust and everything out of there. Do the same thing to these pieces right here. Just have to take that off, take those little covers off, put an air nozzle through it and blow it all out. We're gonna take that water tank, completely annihilate anything that's still stuck in that auger wagon. How pretty that planter is, all nice and cleaned up. Can't even tell it's been in the field. To see really, but there's a lot of stuff on that side, a lot of stuff on that side. There's a little door that I can open. And that allows me to blow stuff out. Yeah, you can see there's a bunch of stuff at the end, so I just take an air nozzle to it and blow it all out. First, what I try to do is I try to dig everything out. So like that kind of stuff, the planter, and you will have a heck of a time getting it out. And this is on the side that I cleaned, so I'm sure the other side is a mess. That side wasn't too bad because it's been previously cleaned. I am sure that this side is a complete disaster. Got the planter done now, so now we're going to move on to that tractor. Eventually we're going to remove this tarp. It's getting old, and see a little stringy thing up there? That's supposed to be connected to that track right there. It doesn't work anymore. And a few times it's gotten so bad that you had to completely roll it off this side and re-roll it so it would work. So we're going to replace it sometime. Not today. We don't have the new one today. So looking at it here, yeah, there's stuff along the edges here. And it is still got quite a bit on the bottom. Ooh. There's poop. There's more poop. It's not rotting yet, which is good. I don't want it to. It's harder to work with. It is starting to grow though a little bit. Get the tank over here, get the fire hose, run this auger, start spraying it out, and we'll get this done quickly. Scared you, didn't I? Stuck. It's just the ground is just soft enough that it just kind of slid, like it got stuck on that. That's where it was sliding. That just kind of slid. I can get it out, but I wish I didn't have to. I guess I'll grab the skid steer. That's how you get a forklift unstuck with a skid steer. What I was trying to do is I was trying to back up, get really close to the tractor, pull forward and turn the trailer around so I could back the trailer right here. That didn't work. Alright, that's what I was trying to do. Now that we got that done, we're going to take the fire hose over here, hook it up to this guy right here, take that door off, spray everything out here, get all the chunks and stuff if there even is any out of here, start the auger, run it, get inside of there, flush everything out. So looking out of here, only real buildup is right here. You can kind of see where it's all getting pretty bad. Ew, I just got some on me. But you can see inside the auger. What? You can see what it looks like in there. How it looks like going up, and it's pretty cool in there, ain't it? I smashed my finger when I did that. It hurt. Fire hose, fire nozzle. This is like an actual fire hose. Here's my favorite part though. If you roll it up right, kinda, but if you roll it up right, you can throw it like that. Just hook it up to there. Here she goes. Disappointing. Auger wagon is done now, so I guess now we just clean up, and I got a list. I know what I'm doing. Why did the hose get a hole in it? Since that guy's done, that guy's pretty much done. I am going to empty this out of water, hook it up, and take it to the north farm, and then we're going to try to figure this out. Take the skid steer, take the grapple bucket off, put the bucket on, go around all behind and around these bins and get all the wheat filings and stuff picked up, because it's kind of blanketed the ground, and once it rains, it starts drying off, it starts to rot, and it stinks to high heaven. Now we gotta close up all of these guys. You don't want mice getting in them. Close up all of that. Now the plan is clean all of this up around back here. As you can see, it's a disaster. It's not super bad, but I gotta move that trailer, come in here with the skid steer and just kind of raise the ground with the bucket. And then whatever I can't get, like all of this right here, I'll just scoop shovel it so it'll be easier to get. I actually cleaned all of under here and all of under here with the fire hose. Everything hurts. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm tapping out. It's about 3 o'clock, so I usually am done around 5, but tapping out a little bit early because today is gonna be one of the hotter days. So how clean it is. Woo. Anyway, see you in the next one, I guess. I don't know. How do I usually exit these? Goodbye.